Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Verify your monitor lists AMD Freesync or Freesync Premium and check its max refresh rate and HDR support. Then connect using DisplayPort if possible, because it offers the most reliable variable refresh. HDMI 2.0 works on some models. Install the latest AMD Radeon driver and restart your PC so the driver registers the display. Once done, open Radeon software to continue. This prepares the system so the software can detect and enable FreeSync correctly. Now you enable FreeSync in the Radeon software. Open Radeon software and click the Display tab, then select your monitor from the list. Toggle Radeon FreeSync on for that active display and confirm the change. This activates variable refresh on the driver side. Make sure Windows is set to the monitor's native refresh rate, and, if required, turn on variable refresh rate or adaptive sync inside Windows graphics settings. These steps ensure both OS and GPU agree on VRR, so you get smooth frame delivery. Finish by tuning game and driver settings so FreeSync works consistently. Set an in-game FPS target or use Radeon Chill/frame rate target control to keep frames within the monitor's supported range. Verify FreeSync is active using the monitor OSD or the Radeon overlay indicator. If you still see tearing or stutter, swap the cable, try a different DisplayPort/HDMI port, or roll back to a previous driver. Sometimes newer drivers introduce regressions. One key tip is test at the monitor's native refresh rate to rule out configuration mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.